English is not just a language, it's a skill that can transform your life. English can give you better job opportunities, confidence to speak anywhere, power to study anything, ability to understand the world, freedom to express your ideas, but most people fail because they follow the wrong method. They think, grammar perfect करो तभी English आएगी. 2 to 3 दिन में fluency आ जाएगी. English difficult language है. This script will completely change the way you learn English. It will tell you exactly what to do, how to do it, and why it works. By the end, you will know the complete roadmap to learn English from zero to fluent. Let's begin. Chapter 1: Understanding English like a skill. English is not a subject like maths or science. It is a skill, like swimming or cycling. You don't learn English from books alone. You learn it from listening, speaking, reading, writing. This is called the LSRW method, and it is the backbone of English learning. If you follow only grammar, you will get stuck. If you follow only speaking, you will get stuck. But if you follow LSRW, you will become fluent. Chapter 2: Breaking the Fear of English. The first enemy is not vocabulary. The first enemy is not grammar. The first enemy is fear. Fear of being judged. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding wrong. Even native speakers make mistakes. Even celebrities make mistakes. Even English teachers make mistakes. Mistakes are not dangerous. They are steps toward fluency. Tell yourself every day, English is not above me. English is not bigger than me. I can learn it. Once fear breaks, learning becomes 10x easier. Chapter 3: How to start when you know zero English. If you are a complete beginner, start like this. 1. Listen daily for 10 minutes. Choose simple English. Kids stories, small motivational videos, English cartoons, basic conversation audios while listening. Because your brain learns language through sound, not grammar. 2. Learn 10 basic words daily. Start with simple words. Eat, go, come, work, like, want, need, make, do, try. In 1 month, you will know 300 new words. In 1 year, 3,600 words. Fluency requires only around 2,000 to 3,000 words. 3. Speak small sentences. Use your home environment. I am eating. I am going. I want water. I am tired. I am studying. Don't care about grammar. Focus on usage. Within 30 days, you will feel the difference. Chapter 4: Learning English naturally, not forcefully. Think of how children learn languages. They listen first, then they speak, then they read, then they write, but adults do the opposite. Write, read grammar, then try to speak. That's why learning becomes difficult. Follow the natural method. Step 1: Listen more. Your ear adjusts to English sounds. Step 2: Speak more. Your mouth learns the movements. Step 3: Read simple English. Your eyes start recognizing phrases. Step 4: Write short lines. Your brain organizes sentences. This is the most powerful method ever. Chapter 5: Listening Practice, the foundation, to improve listening. 1. Start with slow English. Search for slow, easy English stories. Level 1 English listening. 2. Listen daily for 15 minutes. Consistency matters more than duration. 3. Watch English content with subtitles, not long movies. Start with shorts. Example: simple interviews, daily English vlogs. 4. Slowly remove subtitles. After 2 to 3 months, your brain catches the language. 5. Repetition training. Watch the same video 3 to 4 times. Each time you understand more. Listening automatically improves speaking. Chapter 6 Speaking Practice. Most important part. Everyone wants to speak English but nobody practices speaking. You can improve speaking even if you have nobody to talk to. Here are the methods. 1. Mirror method. Stand in front of the mirror and speak. Who you are, what you did today, what you will do, what you like. 5 minutes daily equals massive improvement. 2. Shadowing method. Listen to a sentence and repeat it instantly. It improves accent, rhythm, fluency. 3. 1 minute English. Take any topic and speak for 1 minute. School life, friends, your routine, food, dreams. This increases thinking speed. 4. Record yourself. Record your every English attempt. Listen again. Correct yourself. 5. Use English at home even if nobody understands. You speak small lines. Give me water. I will come. I am busy. Within 90 days, you will notice huge improvement. Chapter 7 Reading Practice. Build word power. Reading is the fastest way to increase vocabulary. Start with simple materials. Kids' books, English stories, light novels, motivational quotes. Don't read heavy grammar books at the beginning. Rules. 1. Don't stop for every difficult word. Understand the sentence with context. 2. Read loudly. Reading loudly improves your speaking. 3. Read 10 minutes daily. In 1 year, you will finish many books. 4. Use reading to learn phrases, not words. Example. Instead of motivation, learn, I need motivation. This motivates me. He is very motivating. Phrase learning equals fluency. Chapter 8 Writing Practice. Build sentence power. Writing organizes your thoughts. Start with small writing tasks. 1. Write daily journal. Example. Today I woke up at 6. I went to school. I studied English. 2. Write 5 new sentences using new words. 3. Rewrite a short story in your own words. 4. Write messages in English. Small texts, SMS, WhatsApp. Within 6 months, your sentence structure becomes natural. Chapter 9 Vocabulary Building Without Pressure. Forget old methods like memorizing 50 words a day. Use this method. 1. Learn 10 words daily. 2. Use each word in a sentence. 3. Revise after 3 days. 4. Revise after 7 days. 5. Revise after 30 days. Your brain will never forget them. Also learn words in groups. Time words, emotion words, food words, work words. Example. Happy, sad, angry, excited, nervous, confident. Group learning equals fast learning. Chapter 10 Grammar. The easy way. Grammar is important. But not at the beginning. Start with simple grammar. 1. Tenses: present, past, future. 2. Basic helping verbs is am, are, was, were, has, have, do, does, did. 3. Basic sentence types: statements, questions, negative sentences. Don't try to become a grammar expert. Just learn what helps you speak. Example. I am going. I will go. I went. That's enough to start speaking. Chapter 11 Daily Routine to Master English. Here is a powerful daily plan. 10 minutes, listening, stories. Conversations, 10 minutes, speaking, mirror, shadowing, 1 minute English, 10 minutes, reading, storybooks, articles, 10 minutes, writing, journal. Sentences, just 40 minutes a day equals guaranteed fluency. Chapter 12 Thinking in English. You cannot speak English if your brain thinks in your mother tongue. To think in English, 1. Name objects around you: chair, door, window, phone, bottle. 2. Think your routine in English. I will wake up. I will eat. I have homework. 3. Talk to yourself in English. It sounds strange, but it works. Thinking in English removes 70% hesitation. Chapter 13: How to Practice in Real Life. 1. Read English menus. 2. Watch English boards, signboards. 3. Order food in English. 4. Say, thank you, excuse me, sorry. 5. Introduce yourself to new people. Real life practice fixes real life fear. Chapter 14: Social Media for English. Use the internet smartly. YouTube, listening Instagram Reels, pronunciation podcasts, thinking Google News, reading WhatsApp status, writing small content. Turn your phone into a teacher. Chapter 15: How to Sound Confident in English. Confidence comes from 1. Speaking slowly. 2. Clear pronunciation. 3. Simple sentence structure. 4. Good body language. 5. Eye contact while talking. Confidence matters more than accuracy. Chapter 16: Destroying Common Mistakes. Here are common mistakes and fixes. Cross mark: I am not good in English. Check mark: I am not good at English. Cross mark: he do this. Check mark: he does this. Cross mark: I didn't knew. Check mark: I didn't know. Fix these slowly, one by one. Chapter 17: Motivation to never give up. Learning English is slow. Some days you feel good. Some days you feel stuck. Some days you feel like quitting. But remember, every word you learn is progress. Every sentence you speak is improvement. Every mistake you make is growth. Think of the future version of you. Speaking fluently, working confidently, traveling freely, leading meetings, getting opportunities. That future you is calling. Don't stop now. Chapter 18: The 6 Month Transformation Plan. Here is a complete plan. Month 1: Listening in basic words. Month 2: Speaking short sentences. Month 3: Reading and grammar basics. Month 4: Writing and daily speaking. Month 5: Thinking in English. Month 6: Full practice plus real conversations follow this, and fluency is guaranteed. Chapter 19: The Mindset of a Fluent Speaker. Fluent speakers have 1. No fear of mistakes. 2. Strong curiosity. 3. Daily discipline. 4. Love for the process. 5. Patience. If you develop these habits, English becomes easy. Chapter 20: Conclusion. Your English journey starts now. English learning is not magic. It's discipline. It's practice. It's daily improvement. If you start today, your future will thank you. Say this to yourself: I can learn English. I will learn English. I am learning English. Your journey starts now. Don't stop. Don't give up. Your fluency is waiting for you.